Hello guys, welcome to algebra class again. Now this is your first homework paper, and as I said, I expect you to complete this homework, but it can be overwhelming and possibly some of you all forgot how to do this thing. So I will go over half the homework and the other half you can do it by yourself. But even I go over like another half, it is your responsibility to copy it, okay? Because I want all 20 questions on your paper so that you can get used to this. All right, let's get started and see how long it takes. Question number 1, 8y minus 9y. And as you can see, they have same variable. So it's simply 8 minus 9, which means this will become negative 1y. You can write it like this, or if you do not like it, you can just write minus y. Either way, they are same thing. So pause the video, try question number 2. There we go. Question number 3. Now let's see, which one can we add, subtract? This and this, they are alike, so we can combine them. And then negative 6 and negative 1, they are alike. So let's get started. First one, 8a plus a, that's gonna be 9a. Next, negative 6 minus 1, that's gonna be negative 7. But now we're gonna call it minus 7. So that is gonna be our answer. Again, pause your video and try question on the right. Now this question. This is why highlighter is important, because it's so easy to organize. And make sure to highlight with a sign like this one, okay? You're including sign as well. Here we go. Negative x plus 15x. That will give you positive 14x. You don't have to put positive in front of it because we are lazy. But when it comes to negative sign, you have to put it. Next, we have negative 2 left over, but we don't have anything else. So we just put minus 2 at the end. Question number 7. Now I'm going to speed up because I believe it's going to be easy. 8d minus d is going to be 7d. Negative 4 minus 2. You can use pen like this if you don't have a highlighter yet. Negative 4 minus 2, you're going to get negative 6. It's so easy. If you do not have highlighter yet, make sure to get one as soon as possible, because that's going to make your life easier. 9a, negative 2a, negative 5a. If you're still confused when to call negative or minus, if it is between two numbers, we call it minus. Here, 9a minus 2a, that will give you 7a, and 7a minus 5a will give you 2a. Simply 9 minus 2 minus 5. Okay. Second one, 8 minus 3. That will give you plus 5. It's easy, like that easy. Next, now we have multiple variables, so let's be careful. I think before you try question number 10, it is better for you to watch question number 11 first. 7x, negative 5x. They are like, so we can add, subtract. And we have plus 2y and plus 9y. We can combine these two because they have same variable. At last, assuming you guys do not have another color, you can just label it like this: plus 5 and negative 1. Okay? So 7x minus 5x, that will give you 2x. 2y plus 9y, this 2 will give you 11y. At last, positive 5 minus 1 will give you plus 4, because 5 minus 1 is 4. I hope you don't rush and do not make mistake about this part. Here we go. Let's speed up. Plus 3a minus 4a. They are alike, so we can combine them. And then negative b plus 4b. They are alike, so we can combine them. At last, negative 6 plus 5. Let's do one by one. Alphabetical order. 3a minus 4a. 3 minus 4, we get negative 1a. And again, you do not have to put 1 here, okay? You can just put negative like that. It's up to you. Negative b plus 4b. Negative 1 plus 4, which is plus 3b. At last, negative 6 plus 5 will give you negative 1. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, simplified expression. Now we are dealing with this one as well. 8c squared plus 2c squared. In order to be like, they should have exactly same variable with same exponent. So this one has 2, so they go together. But if you look at these c's, they do not have 2 on top of it. So we consider they are not same. Okay? And we have 3 and 2, both positive. So let's combine them now. 8c squared plus 2c squared. 8 plus 2, it is 10c squared. Be careful, we are not adding this exponent, okay? We are not adding it. Oops. Next, negative c minus c. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2c. Okay? If you're confused, that part is negative 1c minus 1c. Just there's a like hidden 1 here, right? Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. That's why. Last one, positive 3 and plus 2 will give you plus 5. That's it. Next, this one looks a bit more complicated. If you make a mistake, I'm not gonna blame you, but here, a squared, b squared, but you can do it. Minus a squared, b squared. These go together. And positive 3ab squared minus 4ab squared. So you can do this, which you will get this 2, you will get 5a squared b squared. This you will get negative 1ab squared, because 3 minus 4 will give you negative 1. And obviously I did not put negative 1 at the end. Now we have some interesting questions about these two, but I think you can do it. Just make sure to do not make mistake for question number 19. If you get 8x minus 2 as your answer, this one is wrong. Keep that in mind, okay? You should get different answer. It's not 8x minus 2. Right, that's it guys. Bye. Bye.